Every business, no matter the size, faces the same challenge: scaling personalized outreach efficiently and consistently. The manual grunt work of researching prospects, sending generic emails, and tracking follow-ups inevitably leads to bottlenecks and missed opportunities. However, the good news is that AI is transforming this outdated process. AI SDRs are essential for any business today because they automate the grunt work: prospecting, qualifying, and personalizing outreach, which means your human sales team can focus entirely on relationship building and closing deals. So today, we're bringing up 7 of the best AI SDRs that will help your business truly scale. If you're tired of generic chatbots like Chatbase that act more like FAQ bots than real sales agents, meet Astra by Wati, a smarter alternative built to drive growth. It goes beyond answering questions. It qualifies leads, provides actionable analytics, and integrates seamlessly into your sales process. The experience starts with a clean and intuitive dashboard where setup is quick and code-free. Simply input your website. Astra by Wati automatically pulls your logo, brand colors, business information, and welcome messages so you can get started instantly. Its business context feature lets you define sales cycles, deal values, and target decision makers, ensuring your AI agent is truly aligned with your goals. When building your agent, its 4-step process sets it apart. Personalize it to match your communication style, configure lead qualification criteria, automate next steps with AI actions, and test the agent live before launching. Once active, Astra by Wati captures essential lead details early, scores prospects in real time, and highlights hot leads for immediate follow-up. Its analytics dashboard provides deep insights into conversations, conversion rates, and performance, while permanent conversation logs keep your sales team fully informed. Add seamless CRM integrations and cost-effective pricing, and Astra by Wati stands out as the best chat-based alternative to truly boost sales conversions. For the next one, we have Parsana AI, which positions itself as an AI-powered sales co-pilot designed to automate and enhance the entire sales development process. What sets Parsana apart is its incredible data engine, which combines internal CRM data with a stream of real-time intent signals gathered from over 75 public data sources. This means it doesn't just guess who to call. It uses semantic intent recognition to identify and prioritize leads that are actively showing buying signals, such as visiting your competitor's website or engaging with industry content. The AI then automatically generates personalized outbound messages in your company's unique voice, which allows you to execute customized outreach at massive scale. Parsana also handles the time-consuming prospecting and list building, freeing up human SDRs to immediately jump into a highly relevant conversation the moment a new, high-intent opportunity pops up. It's essentially a system that tells you exactly when and how to approach a potential client and eliminates wasted time on cold leads. Moving on, we have Appolo.io, which has become synonymous with the all-in-one sales intelligence and engagement platform. While Parsana excels in hyper-personalization, Appolo's value lies in its comprehensive end-to-end functionality. It provides both the massive contact database and the tools to act on it. With access to over 275 million contacts, the platform is praised by users for its precision-level filtering that lets you build targeted lists in minutes. But Appolo's power goes beyond data. It's in the execution. Its AI-powered features, such as the AI dialer and AI journeys, automate multi-channel sequences across email, phone, and LinkedIn. This means an SDR can run sophisticated, multi-touch campaigns, complete with automated follow-ups and real-time tracking, all from a single platform. For businesses, Appolo's integrated ecosystem means less tool switching, cleaner data thanks to real-time enrichment, and a more efficient sales cycle from the moment a lead is identified until it's ready for a human closer. Okay, so let's talk about Dialpad, a platform that brings real-time artificial intelligence to the forefront of voice and conversational sales. While many AI SDR tools focus on pre-meeting outreach, Dialpad's strength is in transforming the actual sales conversation and maximizing the effectiveness of every call. The platform utilizes sophisticated AI to provide real-time assistance cards and scorecards during a live conversation. Imagine an SDR getting live, on-screen guidance on how to handle a specific objection, or being reminded to mention a key feature right as the prospect brings up the topic. Beyond that, Dialpad's AI handles the post-call administrative work entirely and generates high-accuracy call transcriptions, summaries of key action items, and automated notes that are instantly synced to the CRM. For high-volume SDR teams, the integration of power and parallel dialers massively boosts connect rates. This is how Dialpad essentially turns every phone call into an optimized, data-rich coaching opportunity. Continuing the journey, we arrive at Seamless AI, a company that dominates the field of real-time contact data and list generation. In sales, having accurate, current data is the foundation of success, and Seamless is specifically built to eliminate the scourge of data decay. This platform is essentially an AI-powered data engine that constantly researches and verifies business contact information. The benefit here is immediate and profound. SDRs can stop wasting time on inaccurate information and instantly connect with ready-to-buy decision-makers. Seamless AI's AI research feature can gather deep, customized intelligence about any prospect in seconds, which is crucial for tailoring the outreach message. Furthermore, its buyer intent data ensures that SDRs are focusing their efforts on prospects who are actively showing signs of being in a buying cycle. By automating the list building and real-time CRM enrichment process, Seamless AI gives sales operations the gift of speed and accuracy, empowering SDRs to move from prospecting to active engagement in a matter of clicks. Now, let's look at AI SDR, a full-stack platform that is perfect for teams looking for an end-to-end solution without the complexity of integrating multiple tools. AI SDR is designed to fully automate the sales development workflow, from lead sourcing to meeting booking. What makes it stand out is its commitment to simplifying the outbound process. You don't need external enrichment or separate sequencing tools. You just point and launch. It handles lead sourcing from proprietary databases, uses intent signals to time the outreach perfectly, and orchestrates multi-channel campaigns across email, LinkedIn, and SMS, all in one place. Its AI-powered personalization is robust, generating custom introductions and full email copy based on a prospect's background, ensuring the message sounds uniquely tailored. For businesses, AI SDR is ideal for testing new markets or offers quickly. It's a solution for scale, offering a no-code setup and the ability to handle a high volume of consistent, personalized follow-ups automatically, allowing teams to rapidly increase booked demos while maintaining a focus on high-quality engagement. Finally, we come to Outreach, a prominent name that's now evolving into the premier AI revenue workflow platform. Outreach goes beyond mere outreach sequences. It embeds AI across the entire revenue cycle. The platform's newest iteration introduces AI revenue agents, autonomous digital coworkers designed to manage complex workflows such as outbound prospecting, renewal management, and event follow-up. These agents identify qualified personas and execute multi-touch sequences autonomously. But where Outreach truly excels is in predictive intelligence and deal management. Features like Smart Deal Assist can predict whether a deal will close with high accuracy and recommend the next best action to keep it on track. Simultaneously, Smart Account Assist provides executives and reps with an AI-generated summary of all recent account activity and potential risks. By combining all these features, Outreach offers a comprehensive solution that not only automates tasks, but also provides data-driven forecasting and strategic guidance from the individual SDR level, all the way up to the revenue operations executive. So that's all about the 7 of the most powerful AI SDR platforms shaping the future of sales. Let us know in the comments which one you think will take the lead by the end of the year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.